Alright folks, it's finally happening. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is no longer just a rumor. After months of whispers, leaked specs, and blurry images, we now have a confirmed release date, full spec sheets, and a good look at what DJI's next flagship drone is all about. Mark your calendars, Tuesday, May 13th is the day. And in this video, we're unpacking all the juicy leaks, from a drone crash that revealed secret hardware to official retail packaging that's already showing up in stores. Let's dive in! Let's talk about the most hyped feature since the early leaks, the integrated electronic ND filter, or Hasselblad END4-64. This feature was supposed to be DJI's next big flex, but they've kept it hidden from reviewers, influencers, and the media. Well, turns out they forgot to hide it from a drone that literally crashed in public. According to the original source, the drone just dropped mid-flight, hit the street with a loud pop, and the gimbal tore off. The interesting part? That crash photo clearly showed the copper contacts for what looks like the new END system. DJI may have hidden it from influencers, but they didn't account for random accidents and sharp-eyed leakers. Even better, thanks to a leak of the Mavic 4 Creator Combo Quick Start Guide, again sourced by Jasper Ellens, we now have full confirmation of the END's existence. The guide details exactly how it attaches, confirms compatibility, and even gives us a price, about $220 US. And no, it's not locked to the Creator Combo. It'll work with any Mavic 4 Pro, standard or not. Now let's move on to the RC Pro 2, DJI's new remote that's shipping with the high-end kits. From leaked images and that same quick start guide, we can see it features a 7-inch mini LED screen that can flip vertically. You heard that right. Just rotate the screen and boom, you're in portrait mode. Perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. DJI clearly knows where creators are headed. What's even cooler is that there's no power button on either the drone or the remote. Instead, flipping the front arm of the drone turns it on, and unfolding the RC Pro 2 screen powers it up instantly. It's a small change, but one that feels intuitive and clean. DJI is streamlining the whole process. Shout out to Hakasushi, who spotted a Chinese content creator walking with a Mavic 4 Pro fitted with the new END filter. If you look closely, it's already out there, probably in late testing or early seeding. Also, Sebastian Fernandez snapped the first known photo of the retail box for the Mavic 4 Pro in-store. And yes, it matches the packaging shown in earlier leaks from Igor. Thanks again to Jasper Ellens, we now have what appears to be the official Mavic 4 Pro spec sheet. The drone features a Hasselblad 4x3 CMOS sensor capable of shooting 100 megapixel stills and 6K 60 HDR video. It's paired with a dual telephoto setup, a 70mm 1x1.3-inch sensor, and a 168mm 1x1.5-inch sensor, both capable of 4K 120 frames per second with dual native ISO and D-Log support. It features omnidirectional obstacle detection, including front-facing LiDAR, and has a whopping 51 minutes of flight time. Top speed hits 25 meters per second in sport mode, and DJI's new O4 Plus transmission allows for 30 kilometers of video transmission range. All of this is packed into a drone that weighs 1,063 grams, putting it right in that pro-level category with massive versatility. As with any release, not everything makes it to the final version. First, there's no Cine model of the Mavic 4 Pro. That means no ProRes recording, something many professionals were hoping for. Also, while the new processing is impressive, the image sensors themselves are not physically larger than those in the Mavic 3. The DJI RC Track remote is also missing in action, but you'll still get subject tracking functionality via the scroll wheel on the RC Pro 2. And sadly, as mentioned earlier, the electronic ND filter won't be available at launch, despite appearing in the leaked manual and retail listings. On the pricing front, we've now seen official numbers appear in European web shops. The Mavic 4 Pro 64GB 4G combo is set at €2,189. The Fly More combo, which includes 3 batteries and a 100-watt charger, will retail at €2,899. The full Creator Combo, which comes with 512 gigabytes of internal storage, the RC Pro 2, a 245-watt charger, and the full accessory kit, will be priced at €3,849. These are European prices, so expect some adjustments in other regions depending on taxes and duties. So that's the latest and most complete picture we've had so far of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The official teaser is expected to drop on May 6th, and the worldwide release is now locked for May 13th. With this much information already out in the wild, it's safe to say this is DJI's most leaked product ever, but also one of its most exciting.